Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up offline licensing for Trigno Discover. With the release of Trigno Discover 1.6, users can now access the software on devices that cannot be connected to the Internet. Please watch our previous videos for a more in-depth guide on license management and getting started with Trigno Discover. This tutorial will cover the steps and required equipment to license Trigno Discover offline. For this tutorial, you will need 2 computers, an activated Trigno Discover account, a memory stick, Trigno Discover 1.6 or higher. First, insert the memory stick into computer 1. This device is not connected to the Internet. Open Trigno Discover. Here you will be met with the Trigno Discover login screen. Select Use Offline and enter the email and password of an activated Trigno Discover account. Next, select Get Request File. A new window will appear. Save the file on the memory stick. Safely eject the memory stick from the computer. Insert the memory stick into the second computer that has an active Internet connection. On the computer connected to the Internet, navigate to offline.licensespring.com. Upload the isActivation file saved on the memory stick. A new license file will be downloaded. Move this file from the downloads to your memory stick. Safely eject the memory stick from the computer. Insert the memory stick into the original computer without an Internet connection. Open Trigno Discover and select Use Offline. Select Choose Activation File. This will open a new window. Navigate to the isActivation license file saved on your memory stick. The original computer without Internet will now have access to Trigno Discover. For additional information and assistance, please visit delsis.com/support. And be sure to connect with us on our socials.